While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Oh my god. Scared me. What's up, y'all? We about to check out Everglow Zombie. It just came out yesterday at the 10th. Right now, it's the 11th when I'm recording this, but it's about to be the 12th. So I'm 2 days late? Man, listen. Listen. I'm trying to keep up. But without further ado, let's check this out. Be sure to check out my Patreon, link in the description. And 3, 2, 1, 5. That laugh though. Oh, there's different versions of her. Oh no, they're all different. They're the same. Wait. Those were all the members, just in white wigs, no? Ooh, the guitar though. Thanks to you, let me try, but I'm just living now. Okay. Thanks to you, exit. What the hell? The eyes though, what the hell? Ooh. Yes, give me them ra. Is that him? Yeah. Oh my god. Obviously these are wigs, right? But they serving though. Oh, this is their actual hair and they all dyed it white. What happened? Oh, never mind, you don't need that. Ooh, this gives me like Kill Bill vibes, like the whole eye patch. Where's my intense hatred? Oh, and then they switch. Whoa. Ooh, all in black now. Okay. Ooh. Oh, the flower. Damn. Some of the like camera work is pretty fire. I'm breaking down to let's still bloom. Okay. Oh, it's the Oh, don't die. It's a whole ass storm in a hospital, wherever they're at. Oh, it's a black hole? What?
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
What? Oh, it's bloody. In the background too. Memories spread like poison. The flames dance alone in the dark. Ooh, get it. Oh, this is pretty iconic. Just the outfits, like all white hairs. All on black outfits too. Ooh. Oh, the night vision kind of go crazy too. Oh, this is different from Everglow as the title track. How does it so chill but go hard at the same time? Ooh, the strings. Ooh, Everglow. This laugh go crazy right here. What the heck? Oh my god. This is one of the only girl groups that I really want to see live that I haven't been able to go see live. I think I was gonna go see them live in 2019, 2020, but then the pandemic happened and that I think the tour stopped. Unless I saw them at KCON. Maybe I did. But I just want a full concert though. But oh my god. Obviously, I feel like people... Ooh, what a pause. Beautiful. Obviously, I think people are gonna, like... I don't know what they're gonna think about this. I haven't checked out the comments, though. Like it might not be, like, the typical in-your-face, like, Everglow. But I feel like they're still in their element, though, at the same time. Put a comments down below. What you guys think of Everglow's Zombie. From the guitar to the laugh to just the progression of the song... It was really good. I think it was pretty solid, to be honest. Was I expecting Everglow to go in my face, like all like guns blazing type of ish? Yeah, but also I kind of like the fact that they're changing up their style and experimenting and just doing something different too. I mean, they have done different things before. I still think my favorite Everglow song is Everglow's La Di Da is still one of my favorite songs of all time from them. But this one's pretty good. I think it's really solid. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And yeah, check out the Patreon, and I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.